Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel for women in India. Hope you're all doing well, and in today's vlog we are going to discuss about the various ways in which a woman can gain financial independence at an early age. So let's get started. Point number one is focus on studies. It is good to be career oriented right from an early age, which will lead you in the right direction. It will make your goal clear in your head and help you achieve your goals. This will make you ace in your niche and increase your chances of getting a job in the same field. Having said that, it does not mean that it is a necessity to be clear about your goals right in the beginning. Even if you are not clear, you can keep exploring and try different internships to check whether you are really into that particular subject or not. You can also pursue vocational courses after high school, which will help you specialize in one particular subject. Point number two is work on online internships or part-time jobs while you are completing your higher studies. Now, this is a great way of earning and simultaneously studying. There are a number of internships available both online and on field, including content writing, editing, graphics related, teaching, accounting, data management, etc. You can always manage your time in a way which leaves you with some time to work on your side job or internship while you're completing your studies. This will not only help you be financially independent from an early age, but also add to your CV. Point number three is skill oriented. Find out what you are passionate about and ace in that field. Find out what activities really interest you other than academics and pursue it. It is always beneficial to be trained or skilled in something specific, like a particular language, a form of dance, painting, home decoration, any sort of craft that makes you different than others and is individual to you. This will give you an edge over others as well and increase your chances of getting a job and widen your horizon. Point number four is generate income. It is always good to inculcate the habit of earning from early 20s. Even if you're earning little, it will give you the confidence and encourage you to widen your horizon. You can take up work from home such as content writing, vlogging, editing, anything that fits your area of interest. This will add to your CV and boost your confidence and might as well give you a clarity on what area of field you like working in the most. Point number five is be financially literate. Learn how to invest and use your money. This is another important point to be taken into consideration. Use your money wisely. There are multiple investment schemes available regarding which you can check with your bank and choose the investment plans that would suit you the best. This will help you save the money and also provide added interest on your savings. Therefore, to be financially educated is equally important to being financially independent. You can read up online, consult your friends who have already invested in such plans, or reach your bank support to keep yourself updated with the available schemes. Point number six is inculcate the habit of savings. Now, it is essential to have a clear sense of income and expenses. One must make a priority list of expenses to use your income wisely and be able to save a part of it. It is always beneficial to have savings as it gives you the courage to take risk and make you feel financially safe and secure. In case of unforeseen circumstances, you can always fall back on your savings instead of depending on others. That's all we have for you in today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you found the video informational, do hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more such content. Thank you for watching the video.